Kasper, where are we going?
To the beach.
What are we going to the beach for?
Because I'm riding my bike.
You're riding your bike. Woohoo! At the beach. Yay!
In the rain.
So we're headed to the beach in lovely, lovely British weather. Still not too bad for December. Come on, Kasper. Well done.
You're going all the way round as well, Kasper. Oh, good boy. Oh. Crash landing.
Come on then. Watch where you're going.
Come on, we're going up.
And when we're going down there,
No, we're not going down there.
to seaweed. Come on.
Samphy. Samphy. Yeah. Where are you going?
You don't want my hand to
Samphy, what are you doing? Say hiya.
Say hi. Oh. Say hi. Say hi, Dada. Say hi, Dada.
Samphy.
I'm steering her in the right direction.
Kasper, where are you? Where are we? Alright. Come on then, come get me. Come get me. Push. Push. Other way. Whoop.
Kasper, tell me when you can see McDonald's. Can you see McDonald's yet?
Yeah.
Where?
I can.
I can.
All right.
We are at McDonald's.
So there's nowhere to park.
So Kasper has this little thing that he likes to do with one of the cats at the moment, and that's brush his head up against the cat's head and body, and the cat does it back, showing him affection as well. It's kind of cute.
Good doggy. Right, the kids are in bed. We are now going to chill. So, bye.